Everybody, I'm gonna get some water. Let's talk about it. Man. So last night, Asia, Tokyo, and London, there was a lot of news on pretty much Korea. Markets was really moving things around. There's a lot of fears on chip and memory names. So big players in Asia were selling and buying. All fears of those chip plays, and the market has a lot. Was a lot of volatility. Obviously, you can see it pumped, it dumped, pumped, it dumped for just zigzag. So if you play that highs and lows, that range, you made some money, and I took advantage of that on the Tokyo session, and made some decent money on like 4 or 5 accounts. So now I'm just gonna be trading one account, express account today. So I get a green day, and that's it. Call it a day. We're looking for almost the same thing today, but there is a big range here. If it breaks out end of this range, we're gonna go with that direction. Um, we got a highly anticipated PCE tomorrow. I don't think it'll detour more to the downside, but who knows? Usually, when there's data, like important data, comes out next day, market tends to chop or just go into like a bigger range, up, down. It's kind of finished flat, like an inside day. Because they don't want if they're unsure of what the data is going to come out and how it looks like. Because we do have a new Fed chairman, and he's going to interpret those data differently than the old chairman. So it's going to be interesting. Definitely going to be interesting. What we do know right now is tech is selling off again today. Yesterday, it tried to have a nice rally, early rally, but end up selling off in the end of the day. Today is a little bit different. Maybe you see some more of the same of yesterday. Maybe you'll sell some more. We'll find out. Either way, we got MU earning, which is important. It's gonna kind of dictate how the market reacts to those AI plays in, or at least technology. Mag 7 right now is pretty much down, but they're near support. The whole Mag 7 um, stocks, yeah, everything's brown. And then there's sector rotation where things are most of the capital from Mag 7 rotating to other names, the other sectors in the market like financial, healthcare, a little bit of energy, and industrial, utilities. There we go. They just rotate back to those other names. But that's healthy for a market too. Market can't be just all Mag 7. It needs to rotate back into other things. That's why I am long XLV, which is ETF for healthcare. Was long on ELV yesterday. Look like it's gonna open up pretty positive today. Pre-market should be up. The XLV, yeah, pre-market's up 0.16%. That's good. Down. Oil continued to be down. We're at $70 now, so damn, oil is just selling off hard time. So there's a bit of that variance, right? Oil is down. TNX is down, but markets are also down. So it doesn't really make sense. That just tells you the market is not like it's really bearish. It's just rotating out of some big names like tech and stuff like that. This is all healthy rotation. Also, don't forget like the SpaceX IPO took a big chunk out of the market. It had to rotate some money out to buy some of SpaceX and stuff like that. Institution, hedge fund managers, all those people they had to slim some fat, cut some fat off just to get to SpaceX. What indicator do I use for this? It's just a simple. We called it the EMA cross 921. Every time you get a 921 EMA cross, you get a dot. That dot tells you where it crossed. Um, Before that, I was really into it. You know, like when there's a, let's say this is like a bearish cross, then I will look to see for next candle continuation down. I will short, right? That tells me I want to short here because of that EMA cross. Got a next continuation candle. I'll short there. Look for 1 or 2, something like that. There we go. And then if I see it cross up to the upside, then I will take long. You know, probably get a long candle there to 1 or 2. There you go, something like that, right? But then here's when the strategy gets a little fucked up because you're gonna get a lot of those crosses in a row. When it's choppy like this, then you're pretty much losing, right? When they start to trend in the cross, then yeah, it's the good. But when it does that, like here, multiple crosses, then you're pretty much getting chopped up. That's when the strategy fails. So I have them on too. I do look at it sometimes, but when it's trending, it works really well. When it's choppy market, it doesn't work. So be careful of that. Nowadays, I don't really look at it as a confluence anymore. I just see it, and then I know when to use it, when not to use it. So I have it on. It's mainly for trailing stop loss too and take profit. More of a trend filter of anything else. Like if 2A may cross the upside, that's bullish. So we have a bullish trend. And across the downside, that's bearish trend. So it's more like trend visual. On trading view, those EMA cross indicator, you will get like a ribbon, like a red ribbon and and then a red ribbon. It will tell you the trend of the market. It's very good for visual, pretty much. And if you switch to a different time frame, like let's say switch this into a 1 minute time frame, you get more of a messy signal, but you get an earlier signal. Like that's the early signal there to cross to the downside. There you go, another signal right there to the upside. As you can see, and here's a bunch of chop signal. No good signal. No good signal again. Right. Pretty choppy signal. Good signal here. Good signal here. And this 989 and 129 email cross has been like recycled by other Furus and something. And they turn it into their own signal indicator and crap like that, and then repackage it and try to sell it to you like it's something crazy, fancy, new. But all it is, it's a 921 EMA. They might tweak something off of it, maybe less noise, whatever, but it's all the same thing. Just know the indicators are lagging. Lagging, meaning the move has already happened before you see that, right? This dot came in late. This already happened. Probably like the third candle, and it started moving down before you see a flash sometimes, right? Indicators are delay. All indicators are lagging. Except for volume, real time, and price action. Those are real time. It doesn't lag. But everything else is a lagging indicator. But don't rely on indicators. Only indicators I like are the indicators that tells me like charts out the levels for me, stuff like that, or charts out order blocks or support resistance. It'll make my life a little bit easier instead of me having to manually look for it and then draw a box out. It does it for me. It charts out the Asian high, London low, all that. Top Step does have that too. For you guys who don't use Top Step, Trading View, should have this bunch of levels indicator to just chart up the level for you. That way you don't have to manually draw it each day like I do on Top Step. I suggest you, like, if you're a beginner trader, start to manually draw things out yourself so that you can see. You can actually go back to the day chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, so that you can see how the market structure is. If you do it manually, you get a better picture. Just seeing how the market is doing, finding trends at a high time frame will help. When you drop down to the 1 5 minute, everything gets kind of like distorted because you don't see the bigger trend. Right now you see chop because I zoom in a little bit. But if you went to like the 1 minute, like for example, like what they really seeing, right? You're seeing downside right here, but everything here is just really kind of choppy. Switch it like to the hour or daily, you see that bigger trend that we're actually still in a very bullish trend. Just a little bit of consolidation starting, maybe starting to break that bullish trend into the downside, right? So high time frame will always dictate the actual move of the market, the actual trend. High time frame is always stronger. Small time frame is when you just knife for entry. And here we go, market open. Yeah, whoa, look at that. Whee. All right. That should change. That should be up more. Wow, that's okay. What the hell? What a ripper. Yep, in the money. Yeah, I am in the money. So, damn. It says I'm up like 19,000%, almost 20,000%. Fucking weird. But you guys gotta see. I'll send that picture on XLV. Sometimes it glitch like that for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, that's not. I mean, I'm really actually up though, but the number just really way off. Look how much I'm up. Almost hitting my target, 153.63. I might swing a little longer. Maybe break out of that. If break out of that, I might see 154 today, or even 155. That'd be fucking awesome. You can break out higher. One DRAM is also a name that I like. That's the memory chip ETF. If I see a discount on that, I'm looking to buy into that more. MU, if we have good earnings today, that's gonna boost that ticker. DRAM. Financial looking great. Hood is trying to hold above this $100 level. DRAM ETF. Oh. The buying and dip here. XLK, SMH, Google, nice pump, Amazon, bullish open, Meta, bullish open, Nvidia, bullish open. I would like to see Nvidia stay above 200. Google, open. Okay, yeah, strong open. But everything's getting bought up. Damn, gold getting knifed. Gold and silver just getting knifed today. Silver down like 5.86% here. Gold down like 3.96, almost 4%. Getting shellacked. What a fucking god candle! My goodness, that is a crazy open. Man, you bottom. If you bottom take that, you're done for the day. If you bottom take that shit long, oh my god. Look at that big ass range. We gotta have a big opening range now. Yep, that's a big opening range. Up high, or below. Damn. Oh, XLV breaking out here. Come on, let's go. Uh oh. Oh, I think I know what he might be doing now. Uh. Yep. Yeah, I think he got it. He got some. He got a little piece of that already. That all reversal. He might be in it. That's scary though, man. How you do that? Like watching that candle in here, and then you go reversal. Ah, you're good, man. Well, give you prop if you get the whole move back. I'll give you fucking prop, bro. That looks scary as hell. Yeah, XLK and the estimate is selling off, so you might even get it. But Mag 7 still pumping though. Amazon pumping, Google's pumping, Tesla, uh, Meta's pumping. Nvidia, not really. Flat. A little bit divergence everywhere. SpaceX is selling back off under 150 here. No, 152 here. Oh my god, 154. I think I gotta sell. I think I got sell. XLV just pumping. Oh, yeah, it's up $210 now. Oh my god, 21,000%. My goodness. You know, I'm gonna let it run. It's doing such a good job. I'm just gonna let it run. Have time on it. It expires on Friday, so it's a weekly contract. So I don't have to worry about time, but looks like it's doing good. The ticker is XLV. If you guys curious and look at it where I got it at yesterday. Now, swung it overnight. What's a good thing about option? You can swing options. Oh damn, you still got it, T. If you're still in it, depending where the stop is. Yeah, this one's a little hard for me to read because like there's some Mega Seven stock is looking pretty strong and open, but the technology basket and the semiconductor basket ETFs are selling off. So I guess that has more weight right now than the Mag Sevens. Good all morning, all my YouTubers. Appreciate every single one of you that's come on the stream every morning. Once I hit like 500 subscriber on YouTube or something, I'll do a giveaway for you guys. Maybe another 50K combine. Damn, T, you caught all that move. Fuck. The old reversal played out again. Damn. If you guys don't know what the old reversal is, man, T is like this guy's probably like a specialist at this, right? So you get the orb opening range, right, high and low. If it starts at the high and he starts seeing wicks, he's gonna short it, and he's gonna short it coming back down to this orb low. And I'm sure he caught this because, like I said, when I see this happening, I don't take those kind of plays because it's kind of too risky for me, and I don't understand as much as he does. But every single time that he does it, he nails it. He nails the day. See, I knew it on top of my mind. I was like, this guy is in reversal right now. This guy is shorting it right now. I saw a bunch of wicks here, like he said. I'm like, he has to be shorting here. Look, that's a 1 to 3 at least right now. Monster. If he fucking look at that shit. You're a beast, dude. I love it, dude. Good shit. And then he's done. He's done already. Like he's done trading. $1,500 on combine. How you made on both of them or in the XFA ones? 700 in the other account. Fucking yeah, that's another strategy. If you guys ever want to use that strategy, the orb strategy, the orb reversal strategy, it's there. I mean, T makes it seem like it works so well. But yeah. Oh, you got slippage to pass. Hey, don't push it. Don't push it, T. If there's a little setup, play one con. Maybe you can pass it today. But don't push it. Like, yeah, don't let Marcus do that to you. Don't. It's only 275. You're not no rush, right? If this is the setup, one con, you get it. One and two con, you can get 300 pretty easy. Well, major sell off in estimation XOK. Uh, I want to see the orb blow gets taken out. I want to see London get taken out before I want to say for a downside because we do have a lot of resistance. I mean support around here, right? Support here. So I'm not like itching to like short. I want to see the market structure breaks. before I do any of that. No, London Low's still there. London Low's still there in my eyes. Um, oh, never mind. London Low did get taken out on my other indicator, I guess. I thought London Low was here. I gotta get the New York. I gotta get the session here or something. I mean, top stop indicator have a session though. Session. There we go. New York, London. London Low's down here. So no, has not get taken out. My other indicator is fucked up. The dash is the London high. Close, close. I don't need all this. I don't need the New York get highlighted. With New York late. I don't need that. Damn, it does highlight. Can't change it. Go back and shade. There we go. I don't like to see it. All of that. Okay, yeah, I put the top step session on. It's just weird because I gotta change the freaking. I might change my session indicator on top step. I mean on trading view. It's kind of off. Yeah, it's kind of off. I gotta change it. Key levels. Arranging here. Oh my god! I should have sold one. High as 154, 66 before it sold off a little bit. I think 155 is in question. I didn't take profit. I should have took profit. Busy. I'm still good though. Percent. Where are we at? 26,400%. Wow. $200 there. Just hold it. Get nice little bounce here on that price support we've been seeing down there. London low is actually like around. If I can get it correctly. There. Fucking T. You starting to sound like an ICT trader, bro. Starting to sound like ICT trader, man. Manipulation accumulation, then distribution. This is where you want to short. All right. Testing London, breaking orb low here. Looking bearish, bearish, bearish. All right. Now we want to see a retest. I want to see a good retest here. It'll give me some kind of confluence. Hold up, we got to see. You might not see my screen, but it'll hop right back. Don't freak out. I'm just switching to my algo that I subscribe to. To see, I want to see my mentors' algos and levels. All right. He's on SPY and IWM right now. That's okay. I can watch those two. Here comes the retest. He doesn't play the orb like the way I do play orbs. He has his own special technique. Very more complicated. Strong bounce. Very strong bounce. Max Sam looking weak again. And then we got a nice bounce with SMH and XOK here. Like that's an engulfing candle. If you ever seen one. It's a really strong bounce. So I can't look at short still. That candle right there tells me there's probably change the structure again. They're probably gonna look towards the upside. Yeah, Brad. The thing with ICT is it's just a rebrand of like price action. Or and then when it comes to all you see is just the same thing: high highs, high lows, and bringing that level and seeing support, trying all that stuff, and then ICT added on to the no level. It's like, oh, favorable gap here, I favorable gap there, and then throwing words like manipulation, distribution, throwing some fancy word, and then it's like the holy grail. Like everybody's like, oh, ICT, ICT. ICT, that guy himself is a terrible trader. He always been called out, and yeah, he never lived up to that hype. He gets called out all the time. He's always paper trading. He got millions of followers for some damn reason though. He's con artist. Yeah. Wow. 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 That was really good. Look at those three strong candle up, man. That's a strong level, right? That's a strong level. It came into that level of support and it just engulfing next three print, right back into the orb range, right back into it. That's when I saw this candle. I was like, I don't want to short, but I also don't want a long because we're still down the trend. I wasn't looking too long here. If it's in this range, I'm not looking to trade yet, right? I just want to see how price action plays out. Like today is gonna be volatile. Just be patient. Another factor why I didn't want to long here because my mind was always looking to possibly short, right? I'm looking for re-entry, retest, and short. I was never looking for a long play, so it never occurred to me that this is probably we should probably long at that engulfing candle. Take that chance because there was a lot of support here in the zone I drew out. So maybe long at that engulfing candle would be probably a good idea. My mind wasn't thinking that right there. My mind was thinking short. And so I failed to see that move. I was, blindsided with my buys to go short after or low break. And then I missed the move. And when you miss the move, you miss the move. The trend is actually still down. Look at the 5 minute. It's still in a downtrend. It's just big, big swing so far, up and down. I want a short here. I'm not gonna lie. I do want a short here. Uh, Summation XOK is starting to look bearish again. So is the Meg 7, kind of like stalled out. I'm gonna go short here. Let's see the next candle. See how this next candle play out. Gonna get a continuation.
Order filled.
All right, I'm taking it short here. A little bit risky. I'm gonna aim for that target one. Break underneath. We see if we can break that prior support. Short at 680. Stops at 769 here. Target is gonna be the 520. A little bit risky, but I'm seeing XLK estimation has been selling back here. Close to a little bit of data lease. It's at 7 o'clock. Yeah, maybe I should just wait it. We got housing stats at 7. One more minute. Should have waited. So now I'm trading into a news release, which is not ideal. Not ideal. But I already pulled a trigger. I'm gonna let it play out. Maybe I get lucky there. Maybe the data will go in our favor and things just start to tank. 7 o'clock. Home sales comes out. Let's see what the data brings us. little bit of mix, a little bit of mix so far. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, there we go. To the downside. 150. Oh my god. I'm always tempted to just take profit 150, call it a day. Add to winning streak. Come on, give me one more candle down. One more candle, I'll promise you I'll trail down. Come on. Where's that? Emoji. Got a little volcano there. Looking good, looking decent. There we go. Starting to sell off some more. Wonderful. $200 on two cons here. Come on, give me a little bit more, man. I'm gonna adjust my stops now. To 725. Looking for a bigger move here, not getting that strong move that we want. I kind of like just back and forth here. Don't like that. Not really just flushing it. But I did adjust my stops just in case. Need a strong flush out of this right here. So we can come on. Well, that's why you need to practice patient, brother. You gotta practice patient. $30. You gotta give your your winner some time to play it out. You don't trade in fear. You have your setup. Like, yeah, sometimes you get stopped out and you lose, but if you take profit like that, you're gonna sometimes miss the bigger move. And then you go, oh, I want to re-enter now. Like, well, why would you do that? Now you in a bad spot. The worst is just hold it break even. It really, or just trail to break even. Like if you're fearful right now, I'll probably trail to break even. But I'm willing to lose 180. That's right now. For the bigger move, I'm willing to lose 180. It is a little bit choppy. Like we're not getting the big sell-off candle I'm anticipating. The thing is still looking bearish. My Mag 7 is looking weaker, weaker. Spies selling off. Things are lining up a little bit. I don't like that now, so
Order
now
filled.
I'm gonna exit because it didn't make my move that I wanted, and now I see that one engulfing candle to break the structure. I'm out early, so I'm out early for a little loss there. Also near my stop, small loss. I would re-enter that short if this candle closes down negative. Then I'll re-enter. But so far, they'll tell me to stop out. I don't like that action. I'm okay. It's down $94. It's manageable. There's a nice little bounce from SMH and it's okay here. Same with Mag They all bounce at once, so we got that. Yeah, that's why we got that big 2-3 candle up right now. You could have broke even right there, honestly, if you guys failed to break even or slightly profit like Boswell did. Mr. B. So if this candle sells off, I can short. Like, hey, come on, looks like it will. Let's see how it closes. No, I don't like that close. I want to see a bearish close underneath that last candle. All right. What will you do here? Only that is another failure gap here. What will you do here? Mm. So far, a lot of wicks so far. A lot of wicks up here.
Order filled.
Okay. All right, I'm back in short. My stop is 728. Same same idea. 647 is my entry. 647. Stops at 728. Same thing at 553. And Vita selling off. Max M still looks weak here. What in the earth? Damn. Where'd that come from? Gonna be out. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. Fuck. I'm out. Sit. DL limit hit. Fuck. Yeah, fucking. It's kind of choppy here. We're back in short again. Just choppy here. It's emotion. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. I'm back in short again.
Order filled.
Back in short again. It's a little bit choppy here, but still looks to the downside. It still looks like it's gonna go to the downside. I'm back in short. My last short here. Still very choppy action, so be careful. Very choppy. As soon as I go short, we're chopping back up. Fuck, what a crazy price action. Maybe we should have waited to get out of the zone. Damn it. Nasty wick up. My last one too. If I'm down, it's in the 700. That's a big red day on this XFA. But yeah, I'm back. I'm just short bias. Things just look bearish right now. Everything on the chart doesn't looks more like to the downside. Yeah, that zone right now is just fucking choppy. Very tight, choppy zone. Yeah, but yeah, what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing is market still pretty bearish though. Yeah, earlier, I mean, twice already, it just wicked me out. Kind of just, I had to stop out. While we're still very much chopping here. Oh my goodness. What a consolidation zone. God. Yeah, that's 6-4. Oh my nuts, dude. Damn. Ping pong back and forth here. I need XLK and SMA to just flush here. Like the trend overall is still down for SMH and XLK. The trend is overall still down. The trend is still down. For also the trend is down for Nvidia. Sell is trying to get this thing down more. Getting there. All right, I'm gotta look into taking some profits. Up by 3. Here we go. We're flushing now. We're flushing now. Come on. Come on, come on. We're flushing now. Come on. Do it. Do it for Poppy. Do it for Poppy. One more candle. Close it. Close it real strong. Strong close down. Come on. You can do it. Flush it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Order
All
filled.
right. I trimmed 2 here. So now only down. I'm trying to break even. We're still up. Trail break even here. Flush it. I'll take that target one. Don't break even. Don't break even. I'm gonna get a stronger flush here. This was good, strong support right here. So if we get out of this support, it's gonna flush down to target one. Right? If this doesn't hold no more, we're good. Come on. Looks like it wants to break it. Break out of support. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Damn it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Break out this support zone. Oh damn, this all those fucking buyers support has become sellers. Ah, come on, let's do it. Do it one time for us. Bring us the volcano Mujo. Well, I'm already break even, so you know, feel good about that. I could take one more size off and be excellent here. See how strong this kind of bounce is, though. No, yeah, reject that candle. Come on. XLK and SMH is looking more bearish here. Flush it. Small risk. it can started for like a long time here, and finally gave. But this is the support zone like that's been acting up. That fails. Like I'm waiting for that to fail. We see a flush. We can see a nice flush to a target. Come on. She's still holding here. Oh, tapping it. Come on. This is the structure we want to see break to. It did make that low. I'll print a New York low here. There we go. Oh yes, yeah, yeah. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. Come on down. Come on down.
Order
All
filled.
right, took one more size off to be safe here. If it hit full TP, that'll be $200 something. It's gonna happen right about now. And come on. Gonna trail this down and yes. Dog, what? What? Again? What? Don't. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. Again? Really? Really? Fuck. I can only laugh about that, dude. Again? Take a fucking tick away from my TP? Fuck. That's messed up. Don't do that to me again. Assholes. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna give you some room. I want it. You guys see that? You guys see that again? A tick away from it, man. Oh my god! And then big reversal after that. Fuck.
Order filled.
Fuck. Fuck my life. Damn, that was painful. That was ultimate pain. I'm out. Fuck, that was painful. Oh my god, dude. Damn. Yeah. You got a good chunk of that? Man, I was a tick away. Ah, all right. Yeah, look how look at that, dude. What did I stop at? Fucking insane. Insane. 555, no, 525.50, right? I got 523 as my TP. 50 cents away. Oh my god. Then all of a sudden we got a God candle. Fucking sucks. Bro, T. Yeah, that was.
That's some effed up shit there.
You saw Jeff? You see that too, Jeff?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. That's okay. You know, I honestly made like 300 something back, a little bit more, right? I was down 300, so made a little bit more back, but could have been done for the day. Really, hadn't I taken that, I would have put me around $300. Manipulation. Here comes the distribution. Whatever that was, I'm pretty sure that has some kind of news related fucking factor. That was a big candle. Trader no longer priced a quarter point hike this year. So last time they did, now they don't. So that's what's kind of bullish. Yeah. What else? What else came out? None. Bullshit. Hmm. What a fucking pump after that. That was just nasty. That's all I gotta say. That was just nasty. Still red day. Oh my goodness. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Let's get one more good trade in. Let's fix that. I have one more in me. I have one more in me. Mhm. Hey B, so just looking at your trading, I can already tell you kind of take profit too early, or you're fearful of your loss, right? Don't do that to yourself. Stick to your plan. Have a stop loss. Let your play out. Yes, you can be impatient with your loss. Like you can cut the loss sooner, but when the winners are winning, be patient. Let those winners develop, right? Let it develop. Let it move. You can best you can do is just trail down or trail break even, but give it some space to run, man. Be impatient with your losers, but very patient with your winners. Otherwise, you're not going to see the big reward that you need to. Your risk reward is really off when you're taking like $30, $60 profit here and there. You're not really going anywhere, you know. I know, and I get that, but now you trading fearfully. Like it's just no way. That's not how you're supposed to trade. You have to trade with a clear plan, you know, clear execution, a clear risk to reward ratio. Otherwise, you're not gonna get far. You just not. You're not gonna get far. Even once you get to the XFA stage, you could be more fearful of trading because now it's like like it's I'm trading for some payouts now. You know, constantly your mind's not gonna hold to the bigger winning days, and then sometimes you're losing that be bigger, way much bigger. It's a big pump here, but the trend for estimation XOK is still bearish. Um, Still in a downtrend on the 5 minute. Still in downtrend. XOK. Mag 7 starting to make a push here. Some Mag 7 are up. There's some psychology book that is in my Discord. Maybe you want to look at those. It's an audio book. Some of them are very good. I think what's the one that I recommend? Minds. I think it's in the Mindset channel. Best Loser Win. That's a good book. Read into that. Oh, trading in the zone. That's a good one too. Audiobook. That's more of psychology stuff. Yeah, you got to fix your psychology when it comes to trading. You can see how I trade earlier, like my two losses on the short, right? I wasn't like fearful of it. You know, I saw my plan. I saw the execution. Just like there's no such thing as a perfect entry. So when it gets stopped, you get stopped. But when my entry is bad and can see it kind of burst right away, something I'll cut it early. I don't mind that. But my 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 buys was still there. I was still short. The market's telling me it's still short, so that's why I shorted there. And it finally broke, right? And the sad part was like it nudged me out. Like it bottom ticked me before I get to my TV. So shit happens. Live with it. Uh, Market's starting to pump. I don't know why. It is starting to pump. We're right back now. Now we're seeing a little bit more positive from XOK and SMH here. Seeing those names, but 30 minutes on the MQ is still very bearish. Oh my god, no wonder I'm on delay. That is delay lag. Alright, time to change that. Yay, let's go. Pass it. Let's go. Great job. My funny future. Size up on the pullback. Do what you gotta do. 50K account. That's nice, man. I love 50K accounts. Seeing the headlines, crude oil inventory. Oh, crude oil inventory came out, huh? That's what. On sale. Seventh third, Israel Prime Minister speak. That has, yeah, maybe he is pumping markets. This guy's been an X factor when it comes to peace deals. So if he fucking says something nice, we can probably see the market pump. I'm gonna go check my Twitter feed, see if he did say anything nice. Nothing on headlines. Trump canceled housing bill signing schedule for today. Don't know why. Maybe there's some news. New home sale plunge, of course. But that's good though, because we need that. If we get like a hot housing market, that's gonna be bad for the Fed. Ain't nobody buying houses nowadays anyway. Shit, that interest rate is ridiculous. Uh, this looked like a breakout here. I'm going long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try to take out the over high here. My stops at 701. Maybe do a little bit breakout here to 874. Give me a bit high stop, but I'm gonna go long here. Let's play this momentum to the upside. Damn strong bounce from SMH. That's okay. Look like it's gonna hold. I'm in long at 781. My stop is at 701. TP looking for at least 780. Sorry, at least 874. There we go. Almost a 1-to-1. Okay. Looking for a 1-to-1 risk reward here. Yeah, I'm looking for a breakout here. We can break out here. I think we can take out the orb high. Try to retest maybe in the weekly lows, which is at the 920s. I don't like that rejection so far. I'm gonna probably cut this. Wow. Okay. I can hold it. Ooh, close one there. I'm trying to stop up though. This is, yeah. This needs to hold here. Got my stop to 720. Doesn't hold. I just get stopped up there. I don't want to see it go down further than that. All right. It doesn't hold here. I'm out. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. I'm out. Got stopped out. Oh, you went opposite of me? That worked out for you. Yeah. It didn't break out. So it shorted. I stopped out. Now I got to work my way back to being positive again. I don't know. This looked like a pullback, and then they're gonna buy it, and then they're gonna shoot it back up, kind of deal. Like that's a nice run, and maybe come back at some level. Maybe try to pull up the Fibonacci.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm back in long. Back in long here. I'm long at 62. Stop at 705. VP is gonna be at 917 this time. Gonna break out of it. There we go. Break out of it. Decent move so far. There we go. Uh-huh. All right. Let's trim one size here.
Order filled.
Just one con now. I'll probably look to add if we can break above the orb high. I'll add one con if it breaks it back up there, but so far Trim one, trailing stops. Watching for a strong breakout. Come on. Stock market buy. Let that break. Here we go.
Order filled.
All right. We tap into the orb high finally. I'm back into two cons here. Come on, let's break out the orb high. Come on, you can do it. There's some momentum in this play. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. New York high. Nice. We're back. We're back in action, boys. I'm gonna stop up. 761 is my stop now. Back two cons here. Up to $100. I'm looking for that weekly low. Trying to break even now. Up sell. Got my stop at one con here. Give it room. Give it room. Give it room. Come on. Pump this shit up. Damn it. Wanted to tap me out. Damn it. Don't want it to tap me out.
Order filled.
All right. I had to trim one. Still have one more on left, but I'm looking for a stronger move, man. Bye bye. Good, good. Mag 7 moving strong, yeah. A lot of buying right here. Mag 7, XOK, SMH, a lot of bullish action so far. A little bit of a struggle here, though. Broke out that New York high. Or the London high. Oh, actually, that's New York high. Yeah, we broke out that. Made a new high in New York session just now. Committed this time, huh? Yeah, I said one more con. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. Looking to add at 867.75 here. If we can come back up to that. Almost. We can add one more con. Think we get the weekly low up there at 920. But I have a TP at 917. Amazon bullish action. Google bullish action. Nvidia finally above 200 again. It's holding here 200. Good job. Meta's back up. Apple back up. So there is momentum display. As long as Mag 7 continue to push, we will see that new high of day. Yeah, a little bit of resistance here. A little ping pong here. See if you can break out of it, man. I think it can. And momentum still looks good everywhere else. But it's definitely ping ponging here. I might even stop me out. That kind of is looking very bearish though. Yeah, this might be a bigger pullback before we get the next leg up.
Order filled.
All right, stopped out completely. Down $63 of all that. Fuck. Still looking too long. We'll see. Still looking long though. Let's see if this catches that support here. Either that or we just range back down. I want to see this catch as a support and I'll buy long again. Nothing like a big push. Pull back. Next leg. 21 AMAT holding here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna risk long here. at the 21 EMA. Go back and see if we can catch that next leg now. A little bit risky, but I'm just playing with the trend. I'm not fighting this trend right now. I'm backing along at 814. My stop is at 767. That's beneath that 21 EMA. Target is 918. Went in a big gap on SPY above here. QQQ, not even there yet. Yeah, I'm back in long though. All right, $100. Do. 160. Here we go, making that push now. Stronger push now. $200 there. I'm gonna sell one.
Order filled.
And I'll try to break even here. And let's hopefully we get our full TP. That'll put me up at $225 and some change. I'll be happy for that for a day. Yeah. So the idea there for that long was a pullback, right? We saw that come respecting 21 EMA here, respect the 21 EMA here off that wick. That's why we enter long on that little bit of engulfing candle too. And we're aiming for the next leg high. So far it's playing out. Almost there. And that's pretty much the 21 EMA, you know. That's one of part of the strategy, 21 non-EMA crossings, all that stuff. That's part of it. Watch for a price trend, watch pull back towards those EMA levels, and you take your entry. You're not fighting the trend here. Here we go. 150, almost 200. Almost there. Just don't do me dirty like last time. Don't do that again to me. I like it, Tony. We're gonna get it, Tony. We're gonna get it. Looking good. Just trail up, take some profit. Looking good, brother. Looking good, B. If you're in that long. Mindy, Papa, Sniper. If you guys took that long, it's a good one. We kind of sniped that one. Hell yeah. Good job, Tony. All right. If I trail here on 123, that's not barely enough for 150. I just gotta wait. I want a full TP hit. I want my 200. The market owes me that one for what it did to me earlier. Come on. You owe me this one. This market, come on, don't do that to me. Not again. Fucking deja vu. It owes me, man. Oh. Now I'm getting nervous once I said that. Market's about to punish me, watch. Fuck. Come on. this is not happening. This is not happening to me. I'm almost tempted to just take 150, dude. Like I'm almost tempted to take 150, call it a day. My God. B says, hold it. All right, B. I'll follow you. I'm holding it then. This is for you, man. Ride or die, right? Yeah, same here. I took some profit off. I'm good. If I get stop loss, it would suck, because I did not make my quota 150 a day, but I'll still be in the green. You just gotta wait for payout. So this looks like a retest of the orb high here. The orb break, see if it holds. If this can hold, we have a good chance, then maybe we will see that new a break up to the week low to a TP. If it doesn't hold, then it's a different story. Oh, you just got stopped out? Damn. Well, my stop is still pretty wide. I'm still in it. Still in it to win it. Honestly, I feel kind of unlucky today. my trading was pretty good. Just unlucky with entries, and then unlucky with the bottom tick right there. I could have been really done today, Ray, off that last that short there, and then this move here went long, but unfortunately the pullback got me. So and this long was good, but look at that. It did close to TP and it's like strong reversal right now. Pullback sucks, right? So I feel kind of unlucky today, even though most of my trades been pretty decent. And I can tell by the Discord too, you guys got kind of a mix right now. A lot of you were in profit. Some of you took a DL early, you know, based on the trades. And shit happens, you know. Never perfect. That's what I say. You can not always win. There's no perfect entry. You try your best. Here you go. I think I'm gonna stop out now. It's unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Like I said, today I feel a little unlucky. That's it. Yeah, very close to full TP. Didn't get it, and stop us out. Still profit, but it is what it is. Look like we're selling back off now. Now we're underneath the 21 EMA also. So, do I have one more in me? I don't know. I'm kind of pushing it. I'm kind of pushing it. If I have 21 more, this would be. Let's see. But right now it's looking short so far. We got the trend break and everything. I think under 780, I'll probably look to short, quick short here on like a major pullback. But that's a steep pullback, man. Let's see if the market structure shift here. I want to see 780. That's around there. I want to see that close underneath it, and maybe we can take it back down to this pivot level. 708 around there. Okay.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna short this. If we can get down here. My stops at 839. We got the 21 EMA cross to the downside. We're underneath those EMAs, so it's looking bearish. Pivot point here did not hold. Slice underneath that, so maybe we get some more downside. 780 was one I'm looking at. See, we get continuation down. This is almost like a 1-on-1 risk to reward. Come on. I think 150, I'll be out. Like, I'll just take profit and be done today. I'm pushing my trade very close to lunchtime hour. I don't like that. My cutoff time. Come on, give me one more leg down. Strong one. Trail this thing tight. I'll trail this thing really tight. Oh, there we go. Good start there, candle. Good start. Good start. Come on. Come on. Continuation candle.
Order filled.
What the fuck? What was that? I didn't close it out. Oh my goodness. That was weird from Top Step. Earthquake? What? Bro, I got no reason. I got stopped for no reason, dude. That was fucking weird. I don't know, dude. I don't know. It just stopped me out. I wasn't short.
Order
I
filled.
guess to get back in short again. Shit. I don't know why I got stopped out. Maybe it was a sign. Maybe it was a sign just to call it a day. No. Uh, nah, I like my short, man. I like my short. It was doing decent. Now I don't like it anymore. Watching this EMA right here, 21. If it rejects it, close above it, I'm like, I'm cut it. Yeah, it looks strong. Looks strong. 9 seconds left on it. It's gonna wick here, or it's gonna hold above it. See if we get rejection candle here or not. No, it's rejecting 21. Let's see if we get a good rejection here. I'm trailing tighter though, because I want to. Yeah. Okay. If it stopped me out, it stopped me out.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got stopped out. Maybe it is a sign. Okay, pretty much done. Getting unlucky here and there, and system malfunctioning. Fuck. I'm gonna take a
It's
breather.
really hot. It's so hot to play today, Ty. I think we better stop now to see.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break.
Yeah.
I'll come
I
back a little
know. I
bit.
think you take a break will be better.
All right. See you
It's
in a little bit.
jumping up and down. Okay, Ty. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.